Welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. And this video would tell you about the testing job opportunities for freshers, for interns, as well as for experience. And we have got few of the remote job opportunities as well. So we will share those jobs with you. And before we move ahead, I would request you to like, share, and subscribe the channel because these all kind of information are shared absolutely free of cost with you. We are not charging anything. So request you to support the channel and share this video link with the maximum members in your group, in your network, because there are many people who are looking for the job opportunities these days. Many people have got laid off. Many people are not having jobs. Many people are looking for switch. People are moving to restart their career from their gaps. So please share the link among your network. So first job opportunity is with respect to the QA test automation engineers, and this is a remote job opportunity. The timings are night shift, 5:30 p.m. to 2:30 a.m. It's a remote job. Experience required is 4+ years. So if you are interested, you can share your CV at this particular email address. Skills required are automation testing, Playwright, JavaScript, Node.js, Cypress, UI, and API testing. Then there is a requirement for testing intern at Andro Buddy Technologies Private Limited. The location is Pune. So this is an internship job opportunity. So internship and it can be converted to full time. So it will depend on the performance of the candidate, how they are performing during their internship. Generally, people will hire fresher jobs, but when they have a kind of a process, what they do, initial 6 months or initial 8 months, they will be having an interns and then they will convert them to the full-time job opportunities. So this is an experience, no experience required since it's an internship, it's a fresher based role and it's an on-site. So it's again a good opportunity when you are going on-site, you are working with the people, you are connecting with them, and you are collaborating with them. Automatically, your knowledge in the field of testing would increase. So if you are a fresher, if you are having less experience, prefer for having work from office jobs or at least hybrid jobs rather than having a work from home or the remote jobs. Skills required is manual testing, test case creation, bug reporting, UI UX testing, basic automation, Selenium, API testing basics, understanding of SDLC, STLC, Git, all these things are required. And you can apply at this particular email address. Then there is a requirement for again test engineer. It is a Hyderabad based location. And this is not just the software, it is actually RF testing engineer. So electronics, communication, instrumentation, those kind of people can apply. And they are looking for someone who can perform testing on wireless devices, 4G, 5G, Wi-Fi, like that. Okay. Now there is a requirement in UST company. So a person on the LinkedIn, she had mentioned it's her referral link. So what I'll do is I'll try to get that link and share the link with you so that you can apply to the link directly. You don't have to reach out to the person here. You have to apply via the link. And as you are applying via referral link, definitely the chances will increase for you to get shortlisted. Then there is a requirement for a performance automation tester and 100% remote job is there. Company size is 21 to 50. Company location is Chicago. And they are looking for someone who has 2 to 3 years of experience in the automation testing of web, mobile, and API applications, experience working in agile scrum teams. And if you're interested, you can write to this particular email address. Then there's a requirement for manual QA tester, and the location is Baner, Pune, work from office role. Experience required is 2 years. Interested candidates can share your resume to this email address. Then there is a requirement for QA with experience 4 to 6 years. Location is Gurugram, and they're looking for immediate joiners, quick joiners, and they want someone who has got experience in penetration testing, vulnerability assessment for web applications, mobile apps, identify and document security vulnerabilities, misconfigurations, and weaknesses. Right. So this is the role for them. Yeah, and here is the email address. Next role is for the location Mohali, and the preference is local candidates and immediate joiners. So the requirement is for QA who is having 1 year to 2 years of experience. They are looking for someone who can analyze and create test cases, design test cases, test plans, perform manual and as well as automation testing. identify, document, and track bugs using defect tracking tools. So these are the requirements. And if you're interested, you can share your CV at this email address itself, or you can also call at this particular numbers. Then there's a requirement for hybrid testing. Location is Chennai and work mode is office. Hybrid is nothing but it's kind of SAP itself. So this is a very good domain and SAP is in demand. So if you can get some experience on SAP kind of things, and you'll get such SAP domain jobs mostly in Chennai based location because the vendors, the contractors, the agencies, the consultants, as well as the full-time job roles are available in Chennai for this kind of domain based testing. So maximum people you will get if you are looking for a job in the field of testing in Chennai, try for having this experience of Hybris or SAP. You'll get good kind of a raise with respect to salary as well as the domain knowledge would increase a lot. And this is the email address. Then there's a requirement for manual tester role at and the location is Ahmedabad and the experience required is 1 to 3 years. You have to apply with respect to your experience and they are looking for someone who can design test cases and document reports and you can apply at this particular email address itself. Right? Experience in manual testing, defect tracking tools like Jira is required. Every company, most of the companies are using Jira as a defect management as well as test management tool. So you can use you can go through Jira documentation, Jira videos would be beneficial for you. Then there's a requirement for automation testing. Location is Noida, 6 to 10 years, and they're looking for immediate joiners and someone who can join within 15 days. And this is the email address wherein you have to apply. So these are the job opportunities for testers, for freshers, as well as for experience, as well as for remote. Let me share one more remote job opportunity with you. So E2M Solutions is hiring for remote jobs and it's 3 months on site. For 3 months, you have to work in at Ahmedabad location and then it would be fully remote. They're looking for technical project manager, WordPress, senior front-end developer, WordPress, and a QA manager, WordPress. And 1 lakh signing bonus is also there. So you can share your details at career@e2msolutions.com. Right, so this is the email address wherein you have to apply. And initial 3 months you have to work from the Ahmedabad location. It would be on site, and then it would be full-time a remote job. Right. So these are the job opportunities for testers. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more updates.